We're here, on the underground pedestrian walkway. So what they're doing, they're making providing statistics. Ano to, mga mines?
Depende statistics from trivia to anything trivia.
This one, what is this one? So they have a lot of mga data. Landmines naman doon. No? This one. Ito. Anong trivia to dito? It's okay. It's okay.
Borrowed from which area? Since. Since.
Wait, Pops. Ito.
Growth of since 1 hectare.
How about this one?
World population. That's the world population, man.
Population. Huh? Parang hindi ka ma-threaten dito sa Kwan ba, no? Sa Austria, ha? Ano? Hindi ba yung mga tao ba? Parang wala masyadong mga
People dissatisfied with their jobs in Austria.
Okay. Okay. Ano? Ay, nako. Sure ka? Oh, this is the number of pi, oh. If you want pi is equivalent to this one. Haba. Can you memorize this? No? Haba. Di ba infinity to siya? Hana?
Cycle yata numbers ng tayo.
O kwanto?
Yeah, it's infinite.
Infinite, no? Ayan, no? Ano ibig sabihin yan?
It just cycles through all the numbers na meron siya.
Okay, that's impressive.